Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn functions in C language. So today we are going to learn how to define a function and how to call it with default values. So today we are going to define a sum function which will add two numbers, and we are going to call it using default values. So this function will have a return type or may not have a return type. We are going to see the both cases, with a return type, without a return type. So let's move. First of all, we have to take two numbers from user, or we can define them. So instead of using them, first declare our function. So I prefer to use function definition because I know what to do. So I'm going to define it. My function may have return type and its name is sum, and it receiving two parameters, and it going to return the sum of these two numbers. Inside main function we have to call it with default values. So I'm going to store the result of my sum function and passing two parameters or two values. I'm not passing parameters, I'm passing default values to my function. Now I'm going to display the result of addition. So 4 plus 5 equals to 9. What we have done, so if we define a function, integer is the return type of sum, and sum is the name of the function. Int a is first parameter, int b is second parameter, and then inside the function body we are returning their sum. Return a plus c, a plus b is the sum, and we are going to return it. First of all, the program has used for some main function. So after header file, our function is if and main function is executed. This function is interpreted, and now this main function is start executing. So when it comes to 11th line number, it see function call sum. So it will jump to the function this and pass the values to this function, int a and int b. So 4 is passed to a and 5 is passed to b. Now 4 plus 5 equals to 9. This result is returned by this return statement, and which is stored in this c variable. Now this result is displayed in this line. This is the case when we have a return statement, means we have a return type in our function. But when we have void here, what will be the definition of this function? Now I have void, it means it's returning nothing. So using this return statement will encounter a error. So we cannot use return statement here, so we simply do the same process we have in main function. Just we replace the c with a plus b, and now we don't need to store this result because we have no return statement inside the function. Result is same. So in this program we have void, it means we have no return type. This function is returning nothing, and we can't use any return statement inside this function. So we call it with default values. Default values means hard coded values